Oh yeah, that's what you were talking about, the Sprocket. But oh yeah, you're saying the kill switch don't work?
No, the kill switch works.
Oh, it work?
Yeah, that was a video that happened before, so I can show you the difference.
Oh, so the kill switch good now?
Yeah, it's good.
So what's the only problem?
This shit. Look.
So that's the...
Yeah, like, it don't even turn on low key because of that shit. This supposed to spin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit don't spin no more.
It don't spin?
Yeah. I don't know what the boy did to it, bro. It was him and my other boy, you feel me? So, I don't know what the fuck happened.
But it crank up right now, or it don't... Are you...
I don't want to try it again because last time I did it, it cranked on. And I fucked on and hit the gas and it cut off.
Did it cut? Oh, that's what you were telling me.
Yeah.
But that's the only problem. That's really the only problem, right?
Yeah.
Just the clutch, and you said it runs, so.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna try to crank it up or...
Yeah, we could. Let's try some. Let's see what it do. You were saying you wanted to be faster too, right?
Oh yeah.
First pull? If it crank out first pull? If it crank out first pull? And you feel like it's not going?
Nah, it's not gonna go.
Okay.
It feels like this is about to pop off, and then at one point it just stops going.
It just.
Yeah, I'm surprised it's spinning now, but like, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's shocking. That's why I'm sitting here like, okay.
Yeah.
So you just pretty much want me to run through it to see what's going on.
Yeah, with this. I don't know if you want to try to test run it real quick. Well, let me try.
Yeah, we can try some.
Yeah.
We can try it.
Do it real quick.
Let's see what's going on.
It's kind of straight, but
That what I.
nah, trust me, bro. Like,
I think do it just need that screw on it or something. Is the screw just missing probably?
probably, but this was not way out here. Like, it was way in
It was
here.
in, right?
Yeah,
So it
yeah.
might just be missing that screw. So it might just be the screw on that. I'm gonna see if that's what it have to be. That screw missing. That's why it slid off. And it sound good though. I'm not gonna lie, it sound good.
Yeah, I just have to put in the whole pipe and everything.
Yeah, I hear it. I don't know if you want me to take the governor off. I can take the governor off if you want it to be a little more faster. But if you don't want me to, I'll leave that on there.
Oh shit, if you trying to
It's up to you though. Because it's gonna, like when you hit the gas, do it feel like it'd be like damn, like hesitating a little bit? Like if you full speed, like it's done.
No.
It don't do that?
No.
Unless the governor already off it.
Shit, I blasted. I don't really know too much about it.
Yeah, but
I mean, you want to ride it real quick to see, like, if you can notice anything? Because I wouldn't be able to tell you shit.
do you think you can open it up, or you think the sprocket will come off if you go full speed? You think it'll pop off if you go full speed?
I don't think it's my fault. I don't think so. No, that's a weird because, like, this literally wasn't spinning. Like, I was able to, like, I was doing like this, and it was like locking, like kind of like that.
Oh, we're locking up with it.
Yeah.
Like it wasn't spinning free.
Yeah.
So, all right. So, when the clutch was all the way in, right? When you used to be riding, when you used to stop, did it used to make a screeching sound and cut off? Did it used to get stuck in, or just
No.
got stuck when it came out like that?
Yeah, it just got stuck.
Okay, so that's the only problem.
Yeah.
All right, but yeah, I don't know if it can open up like that, if it can go full speed. If you don't trust it, we'll just, it's up to you. It don't matter. If you don't trust it like that, I'll just do what I gotta do. You know.
You can make it go a little faster.
Yeah, if you want me to take the governor off, I could. If it's not already off, but you know, I'll take care of it. And it's this is Cole. What is this? A Coleman?
A Simo.
A Simo. Okay, Simo.